Welcome back to Excel Flash tutorial. In this video, I want to show you the Autofit function for automatically adjusting row height and column width. Let's look at this table. I would call this very messy formatting. Let's assume that for some reason the owner of this sheet has played around with the columns and rows, and people usually do this for good reasons if they just want to concentrate on the content of the table and worry about the formatting later. Some columns here are too wide, and in this one you even can't read the content because it's too small. Some rows here are also way too big. So now you want to tidy this up, and you could do this manually. You can check this out in the link above, or you could do this automatically. Select the columns you want to autofit. Go to Format, Column, and hit Autofit. The same thing for the rows. Select the rows you want to autofit. Go to Format, Row, Autofit. Now what this does is it adjusts the rows and the columns to exactly accommodate the content of the cells. This results in different row and column sizes. This kind of formatting saves the most space though, as it allows only the minimum necessary space needed and not more. You can also apply Autofit to the whole sheet at once. Click on my other video to find out how to apply the same kind of formatting to a whole sheet, individual columns, rows, and cells. I hope this video has solved your problem. Please like the video if you did, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the little alarm bell below if you want to get notified of new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon.